website FleetTrucksUSA.com, bringing you only the best in utility trucks, cargo vans, and work truck F-150s. Today I have a vehicle that you can only find on the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. This beautiful 2015 Ford F350 one-ton extended cab, four-wheel drive with a Knapheide KUV is just something out of dreams for many of the people that I interact with on a daily basis looking for a truck like this. A lot of times we can't find one of these elements, let alone all of them in one package. This is sitting on four 100% brand new Cooper AT tires, freshly spin balanced and aligned. It has factory alloy wheels, locking hubs. Super nice setup. You have the running boards, no dent stings or scratches in the body. The interior is stunning. Cloth seats, power windows, power door locks, auxiliary port, MP3 player, cruise control, tilt wheel. Take 6 to the work site with ease. Or it's a 60/40 split bench in the back. You can haul some tools inside there, as well as all of this space you have on this beautiful KUV body. These all lock individually. We have the keys for all of them. Or you have a master lock slider here in conjunction where you can actually put 2 locks here and lock each of them individually for extra security in guarding your tools. You have the ladder racks on top. So I open up the back here, you're going to see all of this useful interior space. Great for those of you who are fighting weather conditions or just in general to keep all your tools safe. Fairly comfortable to get up in there and get your supplies. As we come around to the driver's side, you'll see that it is in a similar excellent condition of the passenger side. Driver's area is very telling. Depending on who is operating this vehicle, will tell you a lot about the mindset of how they took care of the mechanics of the vehicle. Very well maintained truck. Beautiful 6.2 liter V8. Lots of power, rivals the diesel without all of the tedious, finicky operational tasks and the blue death that go along with it. The cost, initial cost, cost of labor, cost of repairs, it gets out of control with those diesels. This is an awesome alternative. On the website FleetTrucksUSA.com, you will find a beautiful selection of commercial vehicles, all turnkey, all ready for you to start making money with the next day. Just like this truck, most of our vehicles come with a 90-day, 4,500-mile warranty that is honored from the moment you drive away nationwide. The majority of our customers, over 90%, purchase from out of state. So we're very fluid at a seamless transaction in getting you the work trucks you need for your business, no matter where you are in the nation. Financing for commercial applicants right through our website. Read about it on our site. If you choose to fly here to Las Vegas, we will pick you up at the airport, bring you here to our facility, and then treat you to a stay at a world-class casino resort on the Las Vegas Strip, which is just 1 mile from our location. Most of our customers are now having our vehicles shipped right to their front door. With these high-definition videos, 100 high-definition pictures per vehicle, accurate description, and warranties out the gate, many people are comfortable just having our vehicle shipped right to their front door so they can just keep operating their business. Let us know what you prefer, and we will help you with that. My name is Bianca. I operate the website FleetTrucksUSA.com. I encourage you to go to our website. You'll see a spotless inventory. You will not find another outfit in the nation that does it the way that we do. I hope you get to purchase your next commercial vehicle from the website. Please like, subscribe, and check out some of our other videos if you're in need of an F-150, utility truck, or cargo van. Thank you for watching.